Hello, I've got a unboxing today. I've got the Glossybox. I don't know what month this is. It says it was 2 for 11 quid, so thought I'd get one free delivery. So I thought I'll unbox it with you. So it looks like there's 5 items in here. We've got the vegan original skin toner. Then I've got a 3-in-1 conditioner hair mask finishing cream by Paradox. Never heard of it, but I'm willing to give it a go. We have got the sparkling hair and body mist, sweet orange and cedarwood. This is by Rituals. I also have the, I don't know what that says. It's a liquid eyeliner in black. Let's get it out of the box. Might give this my sister, to be fair, because I don't really wear eyeliners and she's pretty good. There you go. So yeah. And then I've got Beauty Crop BFF Brow Friends Forever. I think it's a Grow and Groom Brow Gel, which we'll give it a go. It's clear, so we'll see how that goes. There's also a scan me thing, and I think it tells you what's in the box. No, read this month's glossy magazine with all the latest products in it. So I think I've got another one coming. I don't know if it's this month or next month. For this, once I read the magazine, then I don't know what month it is, but I just saw it on Facebook and I was like, oh, okay, 2 for 11 quid. So if you want, check out Glossybox. I'm sure you can get 2 for 11 quid. So yeah, I've also got a mystery Look Fantastic box, which I'm going to review in the next video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.